Best RC Airplanes. Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. The FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail RC Airplane is a high-performance remote control warbird designed for adult enthusiasts. With a 1,700 mm (66.9-inch) wingspan, this 6-channel aircraft boasts impressive scale details, including functional flaps, LED navigation lights, and retractable landing gear, enhancing its realistic flying experience. This P&P, plug-and-play, version does not include a radio, battery, or charger, allowing users to customize their setup. It's compatible with a variety of transmitters and power sources, catering to advanced pilots who prefer personalized configurations. Its robust construction and detailed design pay homage to the iconic Redtail P-51 Mustang, celebrated for its historical significance and performance in World War II. The model features a powerful brushless motor and efficient ESC, delivering reliable power and speed for dynamic aerobatic maneuvers. Its large wingspan enhances stability and smooth handling, making it suitable for experienced RC pilots seeking an immersive, realistic flight experience. The inclusion of functional flaps and retracts enhances its flight dynamics and landing control, making it a versatile performer both in the air and on the ground. Overall, the FMS P-51 Mustang Redtail is an excellent choice for adult RC airplane enthusiasts looking for a detailed, powerful, and historically iconic warbird model that provides a thrilling and authentic flying experience. Number 2. Volantexrc RC Airplane. The Volantexrc RC Plane Trainer Sport Cub is a beginner-friendly remote control airplane designed for kids and adults who are new to flying. With a compact 500 mm wingspan and a bright red design, this 4-channel aircraft is built for easy handling and stability. Equipped with a 6-axis Euro stabilizer, the Sport Cub offers smooth and stable flights, helping beginners learn to fly with confidence. It features 3 flight modes: beginner, intermediate, and expert, allowing users to gradually develop their skills. The beginner mode provides maximum stability and assistance, while the expert mode offers full manual control for more advanced maneuvers. The plane includes a prop saver feature, which helps protect the propeller during rough landings, enhancing durability and reducing maintenance costs. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it resilient to crashes, ideal for novice pilots. As an RTF, ready-to-fly package, it comes with everything needed to start flying right out of the box, including the remote controller, battery, and charger. The compact size and user-friendly design make it suitable for flying in smaller outdoor areas, such as parks and open fields. Overall, the Volantexrc RC Sport Cub is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a reliable and easy-to-control RC airplane, combining stability, durability, and versatile flight modes to ensure a positive learning experience. Number 3. E-Flite Turbo Timber RC Airplane. The Turbo Timber 1.5M RC Airplane BNF Basic is a versatile and high-performance remote control aircraft designed for both intermediate and experienced pilots. With a wingspan of 1.5 meters, this model is known for its agility, power, and ability to perform a wide range of aerobatic maneuvers. Equipped with AS3X, artificial stabilization, 3-axis technology, the Turbo Timber delivers smooth and stable flights by counteracting the effects of wind and turbulence. Additionally, it features Safe Select, sensor-assisted flight envelope, which provides enhanced stability and safety features, making it easier to control, especially for less experienced pilots. The model includes optional use floats, allowing users to take off and land on water, enhancing its versatility for different flying environments. Its SCOL, short takeoff and landing, capabilities enable it to operate in tight spaces, adding to its adaptability. This is a BNF, bind and fly, basic version, meaning it requires a compatible spectrum transmitter, as well as a battery and charger, which are sold separately. This allows users to customize their setup while utilizing their existing equipment. The Turbo Timber's rugged design includes durable landing gear, oversized wheels, and functional wing flaps for improved takeoff and landing control. Its powerful brushless motor delivers impressive thrust, enabling dynamic aerobatic performance. Overall, the Turbo Timber 1.5M is a highly versatile RC airplane with advanced stabilization technology and flexible flying options, making it ideal for pilots seeking an exciting and adaptable flying experience on land or water. Number 4. Makerfire RC Plane. The Makerfire RC Plane FX803 is a beginner-friendly remote control airplane designed for kids, adults, and novice pilots. This two-channel RC aircraft operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency, ensuring a stable connection with minimal interference, making it easy to control and fly. Equipped with a built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer, the FX803 offers enhanced stability and balance during flight, helping beginners maintain smooth and steady control. Its simple two-channel design allows for basic directional control, including left and right turns, as well as acceleration and deceleration, making it ideal for new pilots learning the basics of flying. Constructed from lightweight yet durable EPP foam, the airplane is resistant to minor crashes and impacts, enhancing its durability and longevity. Its glider-style design promotes efficient gliding and smooth flight patterns, providing a relaxed and enjoyable flying experience. The FX803 is designed for easy use, featuring a straightforward setup that gets users flying quickly. Its compact size makes it suitable for smaller outdoor spaces like parks or open fields. Additionally, its lightweight construction allows for longer flight times, maximizing enjoyment. Overall, the Makerfire FX803 is an excellent entry-level RC plane with user-friendly controls, stable flight performance, and durable construction, perfect for beginners looking to learn and enjoy the basics of remote control flying. Number 5. Leanby Remote Control Aircraft. The Leanby Remote Control Aircraft is a beginner-friendly RC plane designed for both adults and kids, featuring user-friendly controls and versatile flight modes. This aircraft is crafted to provide an enjoyable flying experience while helping novice pilots learn the basics of remote control flying. One of its standout features is the inclusion of 3 flight modes, which allow users to perform easy U-turns and maintain precise control. These modes cater to different skill levels, making it easier for beginners to learn while allowing more experienced users to perform advanced maneuvers. The plane is designed for stability and ease of use, offering smooth and balanced flights. Its lightweight construction enhances flight efficiency, while its durable design provides resilience against minor crashes, ensuring long-lasting use. The Leanby RC plane is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile choice for various flying environments. It is designed to be intuitive and easy to control, helping users quickly gain confidence in flying. Overall, the Leanby Remote Control Aircraft is an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists looking for a fun, easy-to-use RC plane with adaptable flight modes, reliable stability, and durable construction.